With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Good morning, friends. Our next question is on relation and function, and we have the number of elements in the given equation we have to find, and the options are 2, 4, 8 and 12. So considered we have given a comma b is equal to 2a square plus 3b square is equal to 35, where a comma b is element of z, where z means integers. So what we have to simply do, 2 plus minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus minus 3 whole square is equal to 35. Now, and we also know that 2 plus minus 4 whole square plus 3 plus minus 1 whole square is equal to 35. So from this we get a comma b is equal to 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 3, comma minus 2 comma minus 3, comma minus 2 comma 3, 4 comma 1, 4 comma minus 1, and minus 4 comma minus 1, and last one is minus 4 comma 1. Thus there are 8 elements. So the answer of this question will be option C, which is 8. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.